What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this video about Terra Classic, or Luna Classic we should say. Which I think it's fairly obvious why we're covering this. It's up 20%, it's way more bullish than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Volume has gone up to over 200 million, which is actually, compared to the last month, it's not even that high. We have reached volumes of about 400 million. But there are some things going on behind Luna Classic. I mean, obviously there's still a very big community of Terra Classic. There's still a lot of validators also on the network. Just check out Twitter for that. You can easily find out more about that. But apart from that, I think they actually introduced or reintroduced staking for Luna Classic. I think that was the big news causing this move. And a lot of Luna is already being staked. But what I always have said with my analysis for Terra Classic, at least, is that, I mean, a lot of people are saying we're going to $1. At this point of time, with this supply, that's just impossible. All right, with this supply, we already have a 1 billion market cap. To get to $1 with this supply, we would need a 1 trillion, maybe 10 trillion market cap. I mean, that's just not possible. So what would need to happen is that a lot of Luna Classic needs to be burned. And right now they're trying to introduce some sort of a tax, a burn tax on Luna Classic transactions of 1.2%, I believe. And with that, I mean, that would actually be bullish for the price of Luna Classic. There's still a lot of volume. It's still being transacted a lot. So if they can actually burn up a lot of that supply, we're not going to reach $1. But we could definitely go up a lot more, and the whole outlook of that burn tax, which I'm not sure if that's going to come, is pretty bullish too. So the main thing is, if we take a look at Luna Classic technically, I mean, if that burn tax actually gets there, I do think we'll have a rally, and I'm not one to say to say that easily. But I do think we'll have a rally. But purely technically looking at Luna Classic right now, what we need to do is we need to close above this level right here at around 16,500. All right, that's always what I'm naming the prices as. You can see that yourself here at the bottom. It's 16,500. So this, for example, would be 17,000. If we can actually get above that level around 16,500. I think that's all we need to do. If we break above that level on a 4-hour time frame at least, I think we can get all the way up to, I mean, the first resistance would be, see, it's kind of tough because the first resistance would be here around 17,500. So arguably you would say we need to break that level, but I actually think it's enough to break 16,500. Then we close above 17,500, and then the next price target really is right here at around 20,000. Or 0.02 cents. That would be the real name for that. So this is definitely possible, but the main thing is, and you should not forget that, that's the most important thing to remember of this analysis. If we don't break above 16,500 within the next 24 hours, we are going to drop back down again towards 14,000 and 13,000. And I will keep updating this because as of right now, I mean, this isn't necessarily the worst thing in the world, and that's why I need to update it, because it really depends on how well we can hold this level here at 13,000. If we can really hold that well, I mean, it's not that big of a problem, and we can still do something like this later. But if we immediately don't really find support and try to get a bearish breakout, I mean, this whole scenario might be over. So yeah, we really need to break above 16,500 within the next 24 hours. Otherwise, I'm expecting a drop, and I will be back again. Yes, back again tomorrow to update you on what's happening. And if you want updates in between, follow me on Twitter or join the Discord server. I will always update it there. But if you want a full video, you'll have to wait until tomorrow. So for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening. If you have any questions about the analysis, feel free to ask me. But have a great day and bye.